Susan. Today I'm participating in the April Collage Challenge hosted by Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio and Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie. I love participating with these ladies. They're so encouraging and this is so much fun. And it reminds me of the Marguerite Miller Challenge, but it's only once a month and there's a lot more detail to it as well. And I'm really excited about this month's. This month our style is boho with bright, bold colors, metallics, beads, etc. Our theme is time or date, fast, slow, clock, watch, calendar, years, however you want to deal with the time or date. Color, our color for this month is red or pink. Paper is music paper or pianola paper. Our image or focal point is birds, angel, or cherub. Our mark making is outline, shading, etc. Our shape is triangle of any kind. Our swapper bonus is playing card, flashcard, game pieces, or puzzle pieces, or bingo card. Now I'm going to have Leigh's and Julie's channels listed in my description box down below, and I highly recommend you go and check them out. And I'll have the hashtag for this challenge as well so that you can check out all the other participants. I can't wait to see what everybody's made. So without further ado, let's get started. it's finished. I love this one. I love these images. I got them off of Graphics Fairy. And let's see, I've got my style is boho with bright bold colors. Theme is time or date. I've got my clock in the background, red or pink. I've got red background and there's red in the clothes and even on a few of the birds. Music paper, pianola paper. And I had these little digitals. I had some other regular sheet music, but I kind of liked the way these looked in the background. And I've got my focal point, which was birds, so I've got that. I like how this one's tucking its head through her arm. Making an outline in the clock in gold, and I did her necklace in gold. And I outlined to make the images pop, the birds and the ladies. Shape is triangles. I used some of my digital jelly print. Not digital, but I used some of my jelly print papers that I've painted a while back. And I didn't have to swap anything, but bonus wise, I used some flashcards. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank Leigh and Julie for hosting this. It's so much fun. I have really gotten into enjoying all of the collaging and stuff. And even when it doesn't turn out like I want it to, I still enjoy doing it. And I like the way this one turned out. I always love that kind of romance feel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.